also known as Homemaking with Marissa on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a Christmas decorate with me. This is going to be part one in a two-part series I'm doing on my channel where I'm showing how I'm decorating my house for Christmas of 2020. Today I'm going to be decorating my children's bedroom, the bathroom, and also their outdoor play area. I'm starting this project by removing any wall art that was on the walls. Normally my kids have a dinosaur themed bedroom. Made sure that all of that has been taken down and any toys have been picked up off the floor. I also went ahead and removed any items that were on top of their dresser and their bookshelf. This room is shared by my two younger boys. They are 7 and 3 years old and really take a lot of joy in seeing the way that I decorate their room for the holiday. I'm going to start by swapping out their bedding. I live in a smaller home. It does not have very big closets and doesn't have a ton of storage space options. I store their Christmas bedding underneath their primary bedding. So you'll see I'm taking off the fitted sheet and an extra mattress protector, and then that's going to reveal their Christmas bedding. This is on all year round and also serves as a backup if there's any sort of accident in the middle of the night. I don't have to worry about replacing their fitted sheet. All of the bedding in this video did come from Target, and I believe that this particular pattern is available again this year, though it's something that I purchased last year. My next tip is to find a double-sided comforter. I have these comforters that also came from Target. They're green on one side and blue on the other. When I purchased these, I was doing so with Christmas in mind, thinking that it would be nice for the kids to have the blue side primarily throughout the year and then being able to turn it over at Christmas time to expose the green side without having to store and keep additional bedding. Next, I'm going to have my husband take down this netting that just holds the kids' stuffed animals throughout the year. My next storage tip is to take any of your standard decor and put it into whatever containers you're using to house your Christmas decorations. This is the bag that holds the kids' Christmas tree throughout the year, so I've just taken all of the stuffed animals and put them into this bag where it will go into the garage until we're putting them back up at the end of the Christmas season. I also took all of their wall art and put that into the bin that holds all of the Christmas decorations. Next, I'm going to move on to just setting up their Christmas tree. This is an artificial tree that came from Target several years ago.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
This is not a super high quality artificial tree. The way that I try to make it look a little bit more realistic is by taking the ends of the branches and bending them up. Healthy natural trees have branches that are growing up towards the sun, so I'm trying to replicate that with this artificial tree. Because this tree is several years old, sections of the pre-lit light bulbs have burnt out, so I'm just taking this lighting device that I think that this originally was on Shark Tank, but you just tent it over the entire tree. It has a multitude of different color options. The kids can do multicolor, solid white, solid red, solid green. You can have it be still, or you can select the shimmering option. Here is a look at what all of my Christmas decorations look like. Anytime I'm decorating for the Christmas season, I just take everything out, lay it out throughout the kitchen table, and then pick and choose what items I want to go to certain areas of the house.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But
Now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the top of these shelves. Here are all the items I have. I believe all of these things came from the Target dollar spot the last couple of years. This little sleigh, countdown to Christmas, some ornaments, a ton of these wire, what are these called? Bristle brush trees, a sign, and then a couple more of the trees. From Hobby Lobby this year, I have this table runner and this table runner, and then this banner that says Merry Christmas. My plan is to hang the banner underneath their windowsill, and then I want to create a outdoor scene using this. I got the idea from Meredith Haney. She did a Christmas shop with me. I'll link her channel in the description box down below. And then I thought on the top of their dresser, I would put this runner and just line the whole top of it with Christmas books. Also plan on swapping all of these out. These little car knobs I have had since my 16-year-old son was a baby, and I'm just kind of tired of them. Ideally, I would paint the entire dresser because it's very scuffed up, but it's far too cold outside to be able to paint currently, so that's gonna have to be a project for this summer. Here is where most of my budget went this year for Christmas decor. I wanted to do this whole Grinch Dr. Seuss theme in their room. I found all of these signs at Hobby Lobby. And when I'm filming this video, everything is still 50% off at Hobby Lobby. Normally their stuff is 40% off for seasonal items like this. I don't know how long that sale is going on for. It was supposed to end already, but it looks like they extended it at least another week. So hopefully when this video goes live, that sale will still be going on if these are items that you would like to purchase. They were selling out pretty quickly at my Hobby Lobby, but they had an assortment of different things in this whole Grinch theme. My original plan was to hang this under the window, but I just couldn't get it to look right, so I ended up hanging it over the window instead. I'm curious where your favorite spots are to purchase Christmas decorations. All of the decorations in this video either came from Target or from Hobby Lobby, just ordinarily where I get my decor from. These knobs I ordered off of Amazon. They came in a pack of 24 and were extremely affordable. Changing out the knobs can really revamp a piece of furniture. I will go ahead and link these knobs in the description box below if this is a home improvement project that you're looking to do.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
My husband and I worked on several backyard makeover projects over this past summer. This little play structure is one of my favorites that we completed. We originally had green accents on this play structure. We stained it a darker wood color, painted everything white, and added these black accent pieces. It feels very farmhouse, and I absolutely love decorating it for each new season. I will link my entire backyard playlist in a card above.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
let me know in the comments down below when you decorate your house for Christmas. And if you haven't done so already, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face over here. You can also watch an additional video I have filmed right here, as well as my entire Christmas playlist down here. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye!